First Chronicles chapter 25. In the heart of Israel worship, music played a sacred role, a gift not just for the people, but an offering to God. King David knew this as well. To ensure the worship was constant and ordered, David appointed the sons of Asaph, Heman, and Jubadu. These men weren't just musicians, they were prophets through their music, drawing hearts closer to God. David organized these men into 24 groups, ensuring that the worship would never cease. Day and night, their songs would rise in unbroken melody of praise in the temple. And it wasn't just the skilled and the experienced, young and old alike were included. From the least to the greatest, they played their part, each note a reflection of the divine. These men, sons of the great musicians, guided the people not only with their skill, but with their hearts, teaching that true worship flows from a spirit in tune with God. Through music, the people of Israel learned something greater, that worship wasn't just about sound, but it was connecting their souls to the Creator. The offering rose and beyond the temple walls and reached the heaven. In the hands of the Levites, music became more than a skill. It became a way to encounter God, where every note carried the weight of the divine beauty. You have a blessed, wonderful day. One day at a time, we'll get through the entire book of the Bible. Have a blessed day.